Hello, I'm Alif, CEO of Acer. I will tell you the newest Acer product. The newest Acer product is the Helios 300. The Helios 300 is ideal laptop if you enjoy high-octane gameplay mobility and a machine filled to the brim with plenty of top-tier components. I'll aim at the same goal, pure gaming glory. At the helm of Helios is the high-speed display. The color-rich IPS screen is 15.6 inches. It has a 240 Hz refresh rate with the 3 millisecond overdrive response time. With a high refresh frame rate will be smooth, with no tearing as long as you keep that frame rate high. High frame rates require high-performing hardware, which thankfully there is plenty of. At the top of that list is the latest 6-core 12-thread 10-gen Intel Core i7 mobile processor, when GeForce RTX 2070 with Max Q Design 4. You can also dig out the Helios 300 with up to 32GB of DDR4 293030 MHz RAM, dual 1TB PCIe NVMe SSDs, and RAID 0 and A2TB hard drive. For everything else, with Predator we always put cooling force. With the 2020 model we have added intake the top of the base to increase airflow, with continuing to include the most critical component or 4-gen Aeroblade 3D fans. Custom engineered these fans have been built to maximize airflow while reducing overall noise, made possible through their bionic-inspired design. Some prefer to use their laptop as a mobile desktop replacement, so all the ports such as Mini, DP, HDMI 2.0, 3 USB 3.2 port, and 1 USB Type-C should give you plenty of access to your display, gadget, and more. Looking down for the display, we have 4-zone RGB keyboard with a few custom key. Take note of turbo so you can overlock with the single press, and Predator Sensei give you immediate access to your utility app, where you can adjust fan speed, overlock, monitor temperature, and many other useful functions. And that nutshell is the Helios 300. And if you want to know more, just check the link below from all of us. Here, Predator, good game.